Hi everyone, back again. ChatGPT 4 for real, for free. How? Let's just follow the tutorial. Stick until the end because you'll get to know everything you can do, or most of it, with this tutorial. And you're going to love it, I am sure. So, let's start. First, you need to download your Copilot. It's free. Then, open your app and let's start. Turn on the button where it says ChatGPT 4. We're on. Let's start. Let's check out to see if it is updated to the latest and best trending AI tools. What are the best trending AI tools right now?
Some of the best trending AI tools in 2024 are ChatGPT, a powerful AI chatbot that can generate natural.
Yes, it is. Okay, next I asked about current events.
There are many current events happening in the world right now. Here are some of the top headlines from different regions according to the web search results.
For the purpose of the video, I'm just showing you a little bit of everything, okay? Then I asked for an image. Can you show me a picture of an airport? Voila, here it is. Please describe this painting. What do you see, ChatGPT?
It also has a background image of a beautiful landscape. The image shows a lake surrounded by mountains and trees. The sky is blue and clear.
Love the answer. Accurate, truthful, marvelous. Then I wanted a similar image. Can you find it, ChatGPT?
The lake is a popular tourist destination and offers various activities such as hiking, skiing, canoeing, and wildlife watching. Here is the image that I found for you. I hope you like it.
I love this, and one of the things I really like is that it talks back to you. It's really, really fantastic. You need to try this out. You will love it, as I said. So do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. So thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.